Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. What an absolute pleasure it is to be here. Beautiful Surrey, British Columbia. My good friends at Discovery Community College. And I want to tell you, it's a pleasure meeting people that are really making a difference. Tell me a little bit about what you do.
Yes, I actually am the head of the dental programs at Discovery. So the dental faculty has the dental reception program, the DA program, which is dental assisting, the dental imaging module. So I look after everybody in terms of the staff and students, and it's great training people to be part of the dental profession.
Talk to me about the kind of students you get. What are they like?
Great students that are very excited for their journey that's going to happen. The program is about 13 months long, and when they get there, I think there's hesitations, everything's new, but very excited. And as the whole process, kind of rolls and they get that experience in clinic and they get to learn more theory and they apply that with hands-on practicum training, they get very, very passionate, and it's wonderful. So recently my class wrote the national board exams, which all the students have to write a national board exam at the end of the dental assisting program, and we had 100% pass rate. So wow. Very, very proud of them.
How often does that happen?
Not very often. There's usually, exams make people stressed out, and so sometimes you have the odd one that doesn't quite make it, and they just have to do it again. But this time the class was 100%. So it's wonderful to see the students starting their dental profession with such wonderful success. So I'm very confident that all of our students are going to follow that path.
Right, and they're all destined for jobs right now?
Destined. You know what? It is. It's not necessarily something that you jump right into because people want the right fit. But majority of the students I know that find an office end up a year later saying they love it. They feel like it's their second home.
Why do you think so many people are choosing career colleges at the moment?
It's a good question. I think because the reality is that people want practical training, and they want to be trained and be able to come out and find work and be employable. So it's very relevant to the jobs, life skills, relevant to things that we do every day. So when you're trained, you can be trained in a short period of time. A year is not that long. And you can have a job like myself. I've been in dentistry for almost 30 years. So you don't have to spend 4 or 5 years in school waiting to get there. They can really learn, get educated, and get right to work.
Thanks for your conversation, and congratulations on tonight.
Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
Thanks.